What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the Beat Majors channel. This is Young Heat of the Beat Majors, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to record in FL Studio like a pro. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get this. We're going to make sure your vocals and everything is sounding nice. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. So in order for you to record, you might want to record vocals, you might want to record instruments, any type of audio outside of FL Studio you might want to record. So I'm going to show you guys pretty much how to set that up. Now for me, when I record things, I might be recording a live bass. So when you're recording, what you want to do is you want to find a channel, just an empty channel on your mixer. You can use the bus tracks if you'd like. And then, you can route things to the buses, whatever. You can record on pretty much any of these tracks. So what I usually do is I find the first empty track. Right here for me is number 2 because I have effects on number 1. One thing to always remember though, when you're recording in FL Studio and you record on any track, what's going to happen is it's going to, no matter what track you record on, it's going to throw that fresh clip right onto your playlist. So it doesn't matter if you record here, no matter what, it's going to throw it on the track, on the playlist here. And it's not going to assign itself to the mixer. You're going to have to do all the assigning yourself. So unfortunately, the way that I record my videos, I'm not able to record the audio to show you guys exactly how to do it, but I can show you how to set it up. So insert 1, we're going to rename this and we're going to call this our record track. And I always keep it like that. And I stay on that track. I don't change to another track. I don't change anything else. I keep it just like that. You find the track you want to record to. You hit this button right down here. ARM Disk Recording. Boom. You hit that. Make sure you're in song mode. And what's going to happen is once you hit that record button, it's going to record a clip. Now, like I said, I can't record my actual input on here, which sucks for me, but hey, it is what it is. So I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. So as you see, clip is right here. It's named record. It's named the date. It's untitled because we haven't titled this session. And there's our clip. And then all we got to do is assign it to an empty track. We know that number 2 is our record track. So we're going to do number 3. And then we're going to do the same thing again. Record. This is, say if you're recording vocals or if you're recording an instrument of some sort, you would just right here find your record track, record to it, and boom, it's going to record right to a clip. Now, you need to make sure, if you miss this, make sure that you always set your input to whatever input you're on. So if you have an audio interface, which is the only way that you're going to record the proper way in FL Studio, you want to make sure that you set your input. So if your guitar is on input 1, you set it on input 1. If your mic is on input 1, you want to set it to input 1. If you do a vocal and you got a guitar on another track, you set the next track to input 2. And so on and so forth, depending on how many inputs you have. And that is how you record in FL Studio. Now, of course, I will make some videos on how to go deeper about assigning that track to another track so that you can hear the effects and things like that. But right now, this is just to show you guys how to record in FL Studio so that you know how to record vocals, you know how to record instruments, you know how to record anything inside of FL Studio. So I hope this helped you guys. And if it did, please make sure you give this a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and you guys share this as much as possible. And make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell button so that you don't miss any more of these videos. And until next time, guys, I will holler at you. Make sure if you missed anything, you loop this video back and watch it again because there might be something in there that you missed. So until next time, y'all, I'll holla. Peace.